Please subscribe to Million's Perception and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome you all to another video. And this time I came up with this another unboxing video. And in this video I am going to show you the cycle, the mountain cycle which I have purchased from Amazon. And the name of the company is Urban Terrain. So hey guys, my name is Milind and you are watching my YouTube channel Million's Perception. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here you can see that the packaging is very good, nice packaging, and Flipkart actually delivered it within 5 days. And actually the company is going to come some person for the installation, free installation. But I cannot wait to see my product, my cycle. So therefore I am giving you this video. You can see here is the cycle, and I am showing you the one item of this cycle. Here is the chassis and one tire here. Here is the quite very heavy cycle. You can see here. So the person is going to come for installation. You can see the look at this cycle. Half installed cycle. It is 85% it is assembled, and the other part the person is going to come and he will do that thing. And again there is one box here. Here you can see all the materials. I just want to show you this box also. Here is some guide sheet, some paperwork. And this cycle have a 6-month warranty, and actually it is not a white cycle, it is a black cycle, black and blue color. So let me also open this box for you guys. So whatever material we get it, we are going to see. So I have bought it for my exercise purposes. And you can see there is the pedals. Here is the seat of the bicycle. Here are some reflectors, the work, some screws and instruments to assemble it. And here you can see the disc brake also. And what is this? I don't know about that. It's some instrument maybe to attach. Yeah, it is for the seat, like that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And after the installation, full installation of this cycle, I am going to upload the review video of this Urban Terrain mountain cycle. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So such kind of videos I regularly upload on my YouTube channel, so you will get the notification of all the videos. So thank you for watching, and please share to your friends.